Trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah Agbo. Subsidy remover. Tinubu began to fulfill his campaign promises.
No matter how long you protest, though, we are going to remove subsidy. That is the truth. That is the truth. Unless you don't, and I'm going to win this election.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is beginning to run down his campaign promises from his inauguration speech during his campaign in 2023 general election. Governments in the past talk about the threats and the dangers of the fuel subsidy to Nigeria's economy, but have not been able to remove it, as marketers are quick to increase the price of commodity as well as make it scarce, which mostly leads to protests from the citizens. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company, Nnpc Limited, has set the price of premium motor spirit, P.M.S, also referred to as fuel or petrol, at between 488 naira and 555 naira per litre at its highest point. Trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah Agbo.